Grandpa Joe was getting old, and his family suspected he was losing his hearing. His grandson, Tim, decided to test it. Tim stood behind Grandpa and whispered, "Grandpa, can you hear me?" No response. Tim moved closer and said a little louder, "Grandpa, can you hear me now?" Still no response. Frustrated, Tim stood right next to Grandpa's ear and shouted, "Grandpa, can you hear me now?" Grandpa calmly turned to him and said, for the third time, "Yes," facepalm #face with tears of joy. Moral: sometimes, it's not the ears, it's selective listening. Rolling on the floor laughing.